Once upon a time, there were a group of friends living in a moon town. On a cold, stormy night, William, the deadliest bacteria, entered into the town. Anthony, the macrophage, immediately sensed danger and devoured William, the deadliest bacteria. As William was being digested, he separated into what is called antigens. A special protein in the macrophage is called the MHC2, and it binds to the antigen. Helper T cells will come and bind to the antigen presented by MHC2 protein and start dividing. Helper T cells search for B and T cells and release cytokines when they meet a B cell or T cell that can also bind with the antigen. The cytokines will activate the B cells. The B cells will differentiate into plasma B cells and memory B cells. The T cells will differentiate into cytotoxic T cells and memory T cells and helper T cells. After that, plasma B cells will secrete antibodies to bind to the antigen. The antibodies, however, do not kill the pathogen. The antibodies bind to the antigens, but only mark the pathogen for destruction. When the sun rose the next day, William the virus, not the bacteria, launched another attack. The virus successfully infected a cell. The cell's MHC1 protein binds to the antigen. The MHC1 protein presents the antigen. The cytotoxic T cell binds to the MHC1 and releases perforin and granzymes that makes a hole in the membrane and leads to apoptosis. The cytoplasm of the cell flows out, destroying the infected cell. On the other hand, memory B and T cells enable a secondary response. When the pathogen infects the body again, the memory B and T cells will be ready to respond to the pathogen.